So we're going to take a look at Ecoscape's panel cladding now. As with all of the products that Ecoscape supply, it comes with its own full range of trims and start pieces and so on and so forth. So we're going to take a look at this first. This is called the F trim. This is what you would use around doors and windows and so on and so forth. That gets pre-drilled and fixed down with stainless steel screws. So the next trim, once you've fixed your F trim onto one side, whether that's around a door or a window, along the bottom, use one of these. This is called a starter bar. This is aluminium, and again, it gets pre-drilled and fixed down with some stainless steel screws. So once the starter bar has been drilled and fixed down with stainless steel screws, it's as simple as sliding the panel cladding over that starter bar, which hides it, and then you slide this cladding into the F trim to hide those fixings as well. Now that the cladding board is slid into the starter bar, that is the bottom of that cladding board locked into place and fixed back, but we have to cater for the top of this board and also the bottom of the next board, and that's where these clips come in. They get tucked in just like that. Once they're slotted in, located, it's just a case of screwing them down. So all the fine details of how to fit this cladding are available on the website in the installation guide. But here's a little heads up for you. In the middle of each run of cladding, you have to put a locking screw, which is slightly different to the clip screws. It's got a smaller head, and that allows the next board to slide over the clip and that screw very neatly. This cladding is part of the former range of products from Ecoscape. That means it's a capped product, so it carries a 25-year guarantee against fading in the sun. It's also resistant to scratching and staining and so on and so forth. This profile is available in 6 different colours. The one I've just been fitting is called Midnight. After that, we've got these: Flint, Argent, Silver Birch, my personal favourite, Havana, and Spiced Oak. So a broad spectrum of colours should suit pretty much any project. So as with all products available from Ecoscape, this is a 95% recycled material. Potential applications for this type of cladding could be garden rooms, garden walls, cladding new builds, cladding extensions. You might even find a use for it on a refurbishment project. For more information, please visit the website ecoscape.co.uk.